Hey entrepreneurs, welcome to Digital Gigger.
Are you dreaming of owning a business that involves helping brides find their perfect wedding dress? If so, opening a wedding dress rental business might be the perfect opportunity for you. It is an excellent way to make a living while also helping people feel beautiful and confident on their special day. Starting your own wedding dress rental business isn't as daunting as it may seem. With enough research and planning, you can make your dream a reality. Wedding dress rentals is becoming a popular option among brides looking to save money and reduce their environmental impact. It's estimated that over $2 billion is spent on wedding dresses in the US alone, making it one of the most costly items for brides to be. For those wanting to cut costs and be more environmentally conscious, renting a wedding dress could be the answer. Renting a dress from a bridal boutique or online store allows you to pick from an array of styles and colors without having to spend thousands of dollars. You can try on several different dresses before deciding which one looks best on you and fits your budget. Most rental stores offer discounts for longer rentals, allowing you to keep your dream dress for as long as you need it without breaking the bank. Planning a wedding can be an expensive undertaking, and the cost of the dress is often one of the most expensive components. For many brides, renting a wedding dress may seem like an attractive option. It allows them to purchase a designer gown at a fraction of its original price without having to worry about reselling it after their big day. Renting a wedding dress gives access to some of the most stylish dresses available on the market today. Whether a bride is looking for something simple and elegant or something more elaborate with intricate embroidery and beadwork, there are plenty of options that offer style and quality at an affordable price. The initial investment required to rent a dress will vary depending on which rental service is used, but can range from around $200 to $400 depending on the style and size. Finding the perfect wedding dress for the big day can be a stressful task, but with the option to rent a dress, a bride can look like the princess she always wanted to be without breaking the bank. As a wedding dress rental business, you can offer an array of stunning gowns in various styles and sizes at an affordable cost. You can even rent or sell accessories such as veils and jewelry. A wedding dress store can be set up as an online store or as brick-and-mortar shop, although it seems that a physical location is preferred for those looking to rent a wedding dress, as they can try it on and be sure that the dress is going to be the perfect one for their special day. You are going to need to have access to wedding dresses in order to begin operating a business that rents out wedding attire. You have the option of spending a lot of money on brand new dresses or saving money by purchasing secondhand dresses from thrift stores or internet classifieds. Buying new dresses is always an option as your business becomes more successful. Here are some of the things you'll need to start a business renting out wedding dresses. Starting a wedding dress rental business can be an intimidating task. To make the process easier, you'll need to have a few essential supplies, which you will need to get your business running smoothly include hanging racks, hangers, and dresses. Hanging racks are essential for displaying wedding dresses in a neat and organized fashion. Having multiple racks on hand ensures that there is enough room for all of your available dresses, making it easy for customers to pick out their desired dress. Hangers are another important item that you should stock up on. They make it possible to hang the dresses from the rack without damaging them. Finally, no wedding dress rental business would be complete without actual wedding dresses. The next step is to make a place where brides feel connected and at ease when choosing a wedding dress for their big day. Used wedding dresses can be found in abundance on eBay. Look for dresses on eBay that are nearly flawless, in the best shape they can be in, and that can be quickly fixed. When it comes to renting a wedding dress, there are some important considerations that must be taken into account. One of the most important is the need for a deposit. This deposit serves to protect your business in case the rented dress is returned damaged or not at all. Any reputable rental business should require a deposit before allowing someone to rent a dress. The amount of this deposit should depend on how expensive and delicate the garment is, as well as any additional accessories that may come with it. A minimum security deposit of $50 for each item being rented is usually recommended, but this can vary depending on the value of the items being rented. The security deposit serves to protect your rental business from any potential losses if something goes wrong during or after the rental period. When it comes to renting a wedding dress, you need to think about the extra cost of dry cleaning. Dry cleaning is an essential part of making sure that the wedding dress looks perfect on the big day and is an added expense that needs to be taken into account when setting a rental fee. Before committing to a wedding dress rental, make sure to factor in the price of professional dry cleaning services. Most bridal rental stores will offer some kind of dry cleaning package as part of their rental fee. This way you can ensure that there are no hidden costs and that your business budget won't be impacted by unanticipated expenses that can affect your profit. Mending a wedding dress is an essential skill for anyone renting dresses. Whether it's fixing small tears or replacing missing beads or sequins, Having someone who knows how to repair and mend wedding dresses will ensure that your gown looks perfect and meets the bride's expectations. Rental services should emphasize convenience and affordability when marketing their offerings. Advertising free delivery options or discounts for multi-item orders can be effective ways to attract more customers. Additionally, rental companies should showcase photos of available dresses on their website or social media pages so potential customers can see the styles they have in stock before making a purchase decision. By highlighting these benefits and providing detailed product images, businesses can create engaging marketing campaigns that will help them stand out from the competition. When it comes to owning and operating a wedding dress rental business, there are many factors to consider. One of the most important is how you plan to price your rentals. Once you've factored in the startup costs and initial investment, you'll need to decide how much you want to charge per rental. Pricing your rentals correctly can be tricky. You must find the sweet spot between covering all of your costs without overcharging customers or undervaluing what you offer. Research other local businesses that rent out wedding dresses for insight into pricing strategies that have been successful for them. Consider additional services such as alterations or cleaning fees and whether or not these should be included in the price of a rental or offered individually for an additional fee. In conclusion, starting a wedding dress rental business is a great way to make money and provide a valuable service to brides-to-be. It allows for flexibility as you can start small and expand with demand. Additionally, it offers the opportunity for customization, which makes customers feel like their experience is unique and special. You will also help reduce waste in the wedding industry by providing an alternative to buying a new dress that will likely only be used once. If you haven't already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video goes up. And thanks for watching.